In the wallet section, we have an overview of wallets split by blockchain. Changing the blockchain, we can see the wallets for that specific blockchain. Here we can view the balance, and from this screen, we can create the wallet by following the creation flow. You can change the wallet name, copy the address, get an overview of all open positions, and see the balance for that wallet. In the trading mode section, we can turn the various features on or off. In green, features are active, so this wallet can be used for spot, for copy, for sniper, for Twitter, and for AAFK mode. If we turn one of these options off, the wallet won't work anymore in the mode that was turned off. By clicking deposit, we can make a deposit to this specific wallet by sending from another one of your wallets or using the check balance feature. We can choose to copy the address or use the QR code. On the three dots, we can copy the address, view the wallet in the Block Explorer, or completely delete the wallet.